Okay guys, we're back tonight with a quick cold start of the Focus wagon. As you can see, it's insanely cold out. I think we're reading about 2 degrees right now. The whole entire car is an ice cube. So I'm just curious how it's gonna start in this really cold weather. It's not around anymore, so it's really hard to make videos on it when I want to. And I figured this would be a really good opportunity to do it. I believe it has been sitting all day, otherwise. We had a battery issue yesterday. The battery did die, but the battery is only 2 years old, so I'm thinking it should still be good. And there we go. Started up perfectly. Back wiper's pretty slow. 140 for mileage check here. It does need to get an oil change now. See, it's pretty frozen. That's right, that doesn't work. So it is stuck on defrost and the floor, so thankfully we do have defrost, but that broke on me back in the summertime. I do smell burning oil as well. We'll investigate that again for you guys that want to kind of see a different video on this car. I'm thinking maybe a valve cover gasket, which I had already done though. That's what it is. It's a bad valve cover gasket more than likely, so I'll probably be doing that soon for any updates on my car, because I don't really plan on having anything on this until probably springtime or summer. Otherwise, here is the Focus wagon, guys, as I wait for it to warm up here. So, as usual, guys, thank you for watching. We'll talk to y'all later. All right, and I figured I'd just make a quick little end video here for shits and giggles. I took it out to get a car wash because it's absolutely filthy. It cleaned up really nice. Anyways, I wanted to have this video just because, like I said, I don't really have a chance to see this car often, so that's what I did. I got it all detailed up for the most part. At least what I could do in this cold weather. It does have some curb rash and stuff like that, but yeah, there it is, guys. Anyone asking about the wagon? Another update.